Okay, so I have the 2-liter turbo Quattro. If you have been supporting the channel, you would know that. And I just bought myself some of these puddle lights. So basically, as you guys can see, Quattro. So what is a puddle light? Basically, if you're not aware, if you open your door and you check underneath the door, let me just put this quickly here on the seat, and you check underneath the door, there is a light, and that light actually is supposed to lit up a little bit on the floor, especially when it's nighttime. So when you open the door, you can see that you don't step into dog poop or something of the sort. So anyway, we're gonna replace the lights that's currently underneath here with our new puddle lights. So for this, this is my cushion of protection, and let's actually get straight into it. I'm just gonna quickly lay down, and for this, we're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. So basically, this is also my prime bar, if you guys can see. So these are the lights. If you do look over here on this side, you can see it actually has got like a little bit of a lip that goes in. You're just gonna basically put it next to it, slightly wiggle it, pull it down, and there we go. Simple as that. So I'm gonna take that off, and here is the light and the plug. So I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. So basically, we're gonna have to take this plug off. So it's basically held in by both of these sides. Let me quickly take it out. Okay, so basically I unclipped it. I used my nail to lift this side up, and right over here is like a small indent, so I used a screwdriver. So basically, we're just gonna pull it out now, and there we go. It is out. Alright, so here is the lights. So basically I've got the Quattro light here. I'm not holding it properly. There we go. So it's basically a direct fit, clip in. So yeah, just one thing, it's very bright outside, so we might not see it on the floor, but I'll actually show you guys now how it looks like at night. Alright, so here's the little piece of clip. I just want to hold it like this. Here's our new light. Come on, focus. Alright, and there we go. I just plugged it in. So let's just quickly get it back into place over here. In it goes. And like I thought, we will not see anything now. But there in my hand, you can see the beautiful Quattro. Yeah, I work in a high heat environment, so my hands are a little bit burned. So anyway, there we go. Quattro, baby. There's nothing, right? Let's come on, baby. Come on. Oh, this is gonna look so darn cool. Okay, there we go. So that means we have done one of the doors, and we have 1, 2, 3 more to go. Okay, and we are done. We did all 4 doors. It's right over there. Can you see it? You can't see it? Open your eyes. I'm just kidding. Okay, basically, I just want to give you guys a quick review before we go check it out again at night. I just want to give you guys a quick review of these lights. A lot of people say if you get the cheap ones, especially the real cheap ones on like all of these Wish kind of companies, whenever you go to your door, sorry, there's a bad wind today, when you go to your door and you like slam it, yeah, when that happens, basically the vibration of the light is gonna end up breaking it. So whenever you do get the cheap ones or the normal ones, or in general, just close your door softly. There's no need to bang it, just in order for those lights also to survive longer. Obviously they're taking a shock, all the internal parts are shaking, and it's very sensitive because of the LED or LCD, whatever it is. So anyway, that's the worst review I saw, where people are complaining that after their child has been banging the doors repeatedly, climbing in and out, the lights stop working. So is it the case of these? I do not know. I'm gonna find out, but I'm not gonna find out by slamming the door shut. I'm just gonna use it closing normally and etc, and see how it turns out as. But in general, close your door softly. No need to slam it. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you legends in the next one. But let's go and check it out at night again. Alright, so the car's ignition is basically on. We're gonna go and take a walk quickly and open the door. So I must let you guys know that I didn't want it to be this dark outside, but it's fine. Here's the handle. Jeez, that is bright. That is like absolutely bright. I mean, like, this is the light inside the car. Like, not that it's the weakest, but this is super bright. Wow, that actually looks freaking cool. Okay, let's open the back door. And there we go, there's the back door. Quattro, my man. Okay, let's quickly go to the other side. That light is super bright. Let's quickly go to this side. Open the back right door. Quattro. So obviously, yeah, the pavement, and you guys can see where my hand is. The pavement is like high and low there. And then lastly, the right front door. And obviously we have the ignition is on. I'm just gonna put that off, and then there we go. Quattro. That looks absolutely sick. I'm like super happy with this. I can't open the door fully because of the car here, but let's quickly go back. I mean, just like look at that. Oh my gosh, that looks good.